If you have set up parental controls on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, but if you have forgotten its password, so in this video I will show you how you can turn off parental controls if you have forgotten its password. So let's get started. Now as you can see in the Google Play Store, if I try to disable parental controls, it is asking us to enter the password. But if you have forgotten the password, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Google. And from here, just scroll down and look for the option of parental controls. After you find the option of parental controls, then tap on it. And from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen. Then tap on Stop Supervision. Now, as you can see, the parental controls will be removed and the parent will be notified that you have stopped supervision. Just select I understand that my parents will be notified when I stop supervision and select Stop Supervision. Now after you do that, then tap on Done. Now this was the first part. Now just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, just tap on your profile icon and tap on Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Family and select Parental Controls. Now just disable the toggle for parental controls. Now as you can see, it is asking you to create a PIN to disable parental controls. Now from here, just create any PIN. For an example, I will create this PIN, then tap on OK. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then select OK. And after you do that, you will disable parental controls on your tablet. Now as you can see, if I try to install any app, as you can see, it is not asking us the consent of the parent to do so. And this is how you can turn off parental controls if you have forgotten its password on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.